Good morning. It's Monday, August 15th. This is our third take, and I'm joined by Legislator Jim Mazzarella. We're here at 91 Maywood Drive, which is coming down today. The town of Brookhaven's serious about cleaning up the area. We've taken down an unprecedented number of homes. This one happens to be county-owned, and we partner with the county. And Legislator Jim Mazzarella, the local legislator for the area, when the homes are in the conservation area, they come down, and the area which has been divided up into extremely small lots, this lot is going to go back to nature. I'll turn it over to Jim.
Exactly. Thank you, Dan. And as Councilman Panico says, it is in a conservation area. So once this house is taken down, the lot will remain open space and in an area that's close to the water, environmentally sensitive areas. We're happy to provide more open space and to provide more coastal resiliency, as well as retaining the beautiful landscape in this nice block. We're happy to get rid of another blight in the neighborhood, and again, always happy to partner with the town of Brookhaven, the county of Suffolk, in making our neighborhood better. Thank you.
And you may be at home asking yourself, why are they dressed like that? Today's the William Floyd Scholarship Golf Outing, and we're headed there. William Floyd Scholarship Golf Outing has been going on now for over a decade. They've given out hundreds of thousands of dollars to graduating seniors. We are both William Floyd graduates and proud of it.